In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products online using Stripe. Selling digital products is a great way to monetize your skills and knowledge. Today, I'm here to walk you through setting up a seamless payment process with Stripe. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to stripe.com. Once you're there, locate the Sign In button, typically positioned at the top right of the homepage, and give it a click. If you already have an account with Stripe, this is where you'll log in. Enter your email and password. Make sure to have those handy so we can breeze through this step. After entering your login details, click Sign In, and this will take you straight to your Stripe dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll want to navigate to your account's home by selecting the Home tab. This acts as your central hub and will give you access to everything you need to manage your products and payments effectively. Now that you're on your home page, we're going to set up your product. Select the product catalog from the menu. You'll see an option that says Create Product. Click on that and it will bring up a form where you can enter all the details of the product you'd like to sell. Start by typing in the name of your product. This is what your customers will see, so make sure it's clear and descriptive. Next, add a comprehensive description. This helps potential customers understand exactly what they're purchasing, so highlight the key features and benefits. To make your product even more appealing, upload a high quality image that represents your digital product. Visuals can significantly increase your conversion rates. After adding the image, you'll need to select a product tax code, which is essential for well-organized financial records and compliance. Once you have that sorted, check the payment options and make sure you've selected the ones most convenient for your customers. Following that, set the price for your product. Be sure to consider your target audience and the value your digital product provides when determining this. Once everything is in place, click Add Product to finalize it. We're almost there. To sell your product, you'll need a payment link. Navigate to the payment links section and click on New. You'll then be prompted to select the product you just created from a list. Now it's time to customize the options to fit your sales model and customer needs. Once you've configured these options to your liking, go ahead and click on Create Link. Congratulations, you now have a payment link you can share with your customers to start making sales. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've set up a way to sell your digital products using Stripe, allowing you to focus on what you do best, creating amazing digital products. Thank you for joining me today, and happy selling.